Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about what is an advantage of being debt-free. Financial freedom. Let's get into the video. One advantage of being debt-free is financial freedom. So financial freedom basically is when you are debt-free, you have more control over your finances. You are not tied down by monthly debt payments, which means you have more disposable income to spend or save as you choose. So, this is one advantage of being debt free, which is financial freedom. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.